The importance of a well-managed search sets plan for your Revizto project cannot be overstated. Search sets are saved search parameters that can be shared across the team. Search sets will serve as the foundation for clash automation, appearance templates, quantity takeoffs, 4D planning, and more. All Revizto project team members will have access to view and activate search sets. Anyone on a project can create a search set, and only users with the correct permissions can share them. When we open Revizto's search set tool, you'll see that we have organized our folders to reflect different aspects of the project. You can arrange these folders in any manner that best serves your specific project, but they'll be sorted alphanumerically within the search sets panel. By double-clicking, you'll be able to activate the search set. When you right-click, you will see visibility options that you can choose. You can also refer to the selection inspector if you'd like to see the selection in a list format with favorite properties arranged in the columns. Before I begin, I'm going to create a new folder for us to use as an example. After I choose a name, I'm given the option to make this a shared folder because I have the correct project role or permission to do so. You'll also see this option to share the folder with all project members. Sharing with the project team is a good practice as well as a requirement if you plan to use elements in this folder for clash automation. You'll see that each of these folders has an indicator to let you know that they're shared. An individual user might not want to share if they wanted to keep from cluttering up the library for the rest of the team. In that case, they'd be able to create search sets for their personal job assignment. As an administrator, it's important to define how your project's search sets will be organized. If you're not ready to share a folder, you can also return later and change that status. Revizto is saving a previous search to begin search set creation. You can see that I've populated a query based on the item name. To save, I'll click the Save Update button, and in this case, I'll choose to save as a new search set. You also have the ability to edit existing search sets by choosing the other option. Now, choose a name that best reflects your search criteria and will be recognizable to the project team. Next, pick the folder that you just created as the destination and click OK. Now your search set is saved, shared, and ready to refer to in the future. To edit, simply redo the initial search to meet your new criteria and choose the name of the existing search set you'd like to update. When you're creating your initial search with the Find Objects tool, Revizto gives you enough search options to achieve extremely specific results. But this isn't always the quickest or most efficient way to create your search sets. By selecting an object and opening its properties, you can quickly populate the Find Objects fields by selecting a property. This can take guesswork out of choosing the correct search terms. Locate your desired property and select, then press the Find Objects button and choose Create New Search. You can also use the drop-down menu here to initiate the search. You'll see the proper search has been automatically created and you can proceed to save as a new search set or to update an existing one.